In this video, we'll be talking about how to use ChatGPT and Google Bard to write a blog post. Okay, so if you're a blogger or you're intending to become one, I'll be showing you how you can use ChatGPT to create blog posts. Okay, and at the end of this video, I'll be showing you how you can overcome plagiarism. Okay, now this is one of the areas that plagiarism is highly looked into. Okay, when trying to write a blog post, if you are not careful, even though that the blog post is full of value, okay, is a great content, but because it is AI generated, it can bring copyright issues or flag your website. Okay, so but I'll be giving you possible tips that you can use to work around this challenge. Okay, and it will not affect you. So let's head over to ChatGPT and let's tell ChatGPT to give us 5 topics. Okay, 5 blog post topic titles on a particular subject matter. All right, now if you have the title you want to write on or the subject matter you want to write on, you can just type it. But for those that don't have it, you have to maybe ask or rely on ChatGPT for suggestion. Okay, remember that you can do this with your computer. Okay, and after you have gotten your blog post, you use your computer to upload the post to your website. Okay, so let's assume that we don't have any idea, okay, of what we want to write, and let's ask ChatGPT to give me 5 top searched blog idea on study abroad in Nigeria. Okay, titles only. So we just want titles only, 5 titles. So we're going to select this, copy this, give the command. Then let's head over to Bard. Okay, give the same command and let's see. Okay, here we have 5 different titles. Say, okay, so here we have 5 different titles. It says a comprehensive guide to study abroad, scholarship and tuition opportunity for Nigerian students, navigating cultural challenge tips for Nigerian students studying abroad. Okay, so this can help you generate more than one post, all right, with these different titles. Okay, here it says ultimate guide to studying abroad, 10 reasons why you should study abroad in Nigeria. Can you see? So now you have to open your notepad, you copy any of these title that you want to write on. Okay, for those that don't have a particular title, but for those that have a title, or you know what you want to write on, you know what you want ChatGPT or Google Bard to write on for you, you just, instead of going through the process of asking the AI tool to give you blog ideas, you just go straight to asking the AI tool to write the post. Now, you don't just go straight to tell the AI tool to write the post. There is always a sequence for every blog post. So every blog post should have outline and it should have headings. Okay, so we're going to choose one of these titles and we're going to ask the AI to write the outlines and headings for this title. Okay, so let's choose comprehensive guide to studying abroad. Okay, all right, we copy. So we're going to say write a blog outline with headings for this title. Okay, so click enter. We need to copy this prompt so we can use it for Bard. Okay, let's use it for Google Bard. Okay, I'm coming. All right, copy. Let's go to Bard. Let's paste it. Okay, so let's see the results. So we have the introduction, which is an outline. Okay, we have two headings in the introduction. We have benefits of studying abroad for Nigerian students. We have three headings. We have popular study abroad destination for Nigerian students. We have about 5 headings. Okay, we have type of scholarship available for Nigerian students. Okay, so this has about 11 outlines with minimum of 2 or 3 headings. Okay, so at this point you also copy this out. All right, you copy this out, you can see this. Okay, Google Bard gave us 1 2 3 4 5 6, gave us 6 outlines. Okay, with minimum of 2 headings each, while ChatGPT gave us 11 outlines with minimum of 2 outlines each. So what you do is that you copy this, okay, and paste it in your Word document or in your notepad. All right, so we are not done with the posts. Now we're going to head over to the post properly. Now there are 2 ways to do this. You can either copy each of these headings one by one and paste it, and ChatGPT will give you the required answer based on that prompt or that heading that you just entered. Okay, and you do the same with Google Bard if you want to do that, or you can just go straight and ask ChatGPT to write you a blog post, an article with the headings and outline above. All right, now you can say write a blog article of 500 words, okay, with the outlines and heading above. All right, okay, so let's copy this. We'll use it for Bard as well, Google Bard. Then you give your prompt. All right, you enter your prompt, you give your command. Okay, so this is the point where we now have a blog post. Okay, this is the point where we have a blog post. All right, so you can see that a blog post of 500 words have been created here. Okay, so if you want to confirm if this is actually 500 words, let's try it. So you copy, okay, you come to this website, character counter. All right, you paste. Let's paste. Can you see? It's even more than 500 words. We have 668 words. Okay, so it means that it actually beats the target. Okay, so let's check Google Bard. Can you see? All right, so here is a post. You can get the 2 of them and combine and read and then edit. Now here is the main thing. It is not 100% advisable for you to just do copy and paste. Okay, now if you are using ChatGPT or other AI tool to generate your post, it should not be the ultimate source to your blog post. Rather, it should be an aid that should help you generate your blog post faster. But your blog post should not rely 100% on it. What do I mean? If it's going to take you 2 days or 1 week to create a good blog post that will rank, now with this already, your work is half done. Okay, now you have to just get this post, okay, paste it on your Word document and edit it. Okay, let your voice be found in the post. Every writer, every blogger, whoever, whatever you are doing, your voice is always found in your writing. Okay, let your voice portray so that it will not be flagged as an AI written blog post. Okay, there are AI detectors. Okay, and search engines, Google and a whole lot of them make use of these AI detectors to use it to flag contents that are not original. Remember that the essence is quality content and originality. Okay, so you want your content to be original, and one of the ways you can do this is by taking your time to read through and reorganize it and change some words and phrases. Okay, another way to do this is by using this tool called Gravity Write. Gravity Write can help you to rewrite your AI written post. Okay, it is free. It has its free plan. You can start with the free plan. Then we have Word AI. Okay, Word AI can as well help you rewrite your content and make it sound human. Okay, now we have originality.ai. Originality.ai helps you to check if your post is AI written post, okay, or AI based post. All right, it's going to give you the percentage score, and if it is so high, if your post is not up to 80% human, then something is wrong. At least when you use this AI tool to check about plagiarism, okay, and the originality, it should be at least 80% original and above. All right, so this tool helps you to check if your post is original or not. Now, by the time you copy this post here and paste it on this tool, there are other tools. You can search it out online. You will see that it's going to tell you that this post is AI written. So by the time you now give out some of your time to tweak it and let your voice be found in the post, when you check it, you see that either it becomes 100% human or the AI effect on it will be reduced. It will no longer be 100% AI, but it might become something like 10% AI, 2% AI. Okay, so as much as you can, reduce or make your post original. Let it have that touch of originality. There are tools too that can help you do that. Okay, so this is basically how to use ChatGTP to create blog posts for your blog. Okay, so once you are done with the editing and with the formatting, you now go to your WordPress site or whatever platform you are using to run your blog and post it. So thank you. I hope you got value from this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment in this video and subscribe to our channel.